Hey guys, it's time for lunch. Let's make something fun. Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we've got two recipes that we're going to do. We have a barbecue chicken croissant sandwich we're going to make, but first I am doing a Copycat KFC Coleslaw recipe. So we're going to start this one out because this one needs to sit in the fridge for a little bit, okay? And this one looks super easy. That's why I wanted to try it. Plus I love KFC's coleslaw. So, all right, so we've got a little bit of sugar, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of milk, and a little bit of mayonnaise. We're going to get all of this put in here, and we're going to get it all whipped together, and then we're going to add it to our coleslaw that we already have over here in the bowl. So, let's see what happens. I'm just going to mix that all up. We want to add a little bit of salt and pepper as well. So there we go. So while we are stirring this up, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. For always and always click on that link tree for some fun stuff, okay? All right, so we've got this all mixed up together. So now we are just going to add this to our coleslaw. And I just got a small bag of coleslaw because this is just a little itty bitty recipe, so which was ideal actually. We want all that yumminess though. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're just going to get this all mixed up and let it, I'm going to cover it up with some saran wrap and then we're going to throw it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a little while we get started on our yummy sandwich. All right, now that we've got our coleslaw in the refrigerator, getting all chill and ready for us, now it's time to start this barbecue chicken croissant, okay? I already got, well, you know me and my rotisserie chicken. I always keep rotisserie chicken. And I'm just making one sandwich, so I don't need a whole bunch. So I'm going to actually nuke this for just a little bit because I did buy the rotisserie chicken yesterday, so it's been in the refrigerator. So I am going to nuke this for just a little bit just to take the chill off. So we're just going to throw this in the microwave for 35 seconds or so. Like I said, just to take that little bit of chill off, okay? Just to take the chill off. All right, now we are going to add our barbecue sauce, and we always use our Sweet Baby Ray's. That's my fave. We're going to add in our barbecue sauce as much or as little as we want. Huh, Sam? Sam's very anxious for this sandwich, I can tell. She likes when I make sandwiches for lunch. Actually, she likes it when I have the rotisserie chicken because she always gets bites. Okay, all mixed up. But I want mine a little saucier, like my barbecue sauce. Okay, so as simple can be. I've got a croissant that I've already cut in half. We're going to throw it on my griddle, and we are going to add our pepper jack, of course. If you don't know that about me, then go back and watch my videos because I'm all about the pepper jack. And then we are going to very gently get the chicken all spread around. Oh, this is going to be perfect. Now, if you wanted to, since it's barbecue chicken, you could add maybe some red onion. I'm not a huge fan of red onion on my barbecue pizza, or my barbecue chicken, but if you wanted to, you could. That's the beauty of this. You can do whatever you want. Now, more cheese. Okay, there we go. That's it. And that's it. And down we go. So this is going to be a smash sandwich, basically, as you can tell, because we are using the griddler, so. And it is squishing it down and melting all that cheese. Oh, this is going to be so good. All right, I think this is ready. Doesn't need to be on here for very long. The cheese is all nice and melty. Ooh, this is going to be yum. All right, now we're going to grab our coleslaw, and we're ready to eat some lunch. There we go. Lunch is served. Doesn't that look yummy? I'm dying to try this coleslaw because, like I said, I absolutely love KFC's coleslaw. So, yeah, yeah, it does. It does. It tastes just like KFC's. That was a winner. Now let's try this sandwich. Let's see. Oh, barbecue chicken yumminess. Oh my goodness. All right, there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. And oh my God, this one was definitely a success. 2 thumbs up for each recipe for sure. So there you go. Thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. Sammy's waiting for her bite. So we'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.